Well, this is actually quite interesting. If you want to run Openclaw, but you're kind of on the fence and don't want to pay so much money, well, Minimax just dropped MaxClaw. So it's essentially Openclaw running the Minimax agent, and for now, it doesn't cost anything to start. Okay, of course, there's always a fine line, but we'll talk about that in a sec. So the installation process, we made a video before where we install everything, and it's hard. But all you have to do here is just go to the link, click continue with Google, and then hopefully this works. Okay. But yes, just log in and then your claw's activated. That's it. That's all you have to do to actually start launching your MaxClaw. It's actually rather interesting. So I'm going to take you. That's the installation process. If you guys want to start, or I'm going to just delete it and show you guys how this works. But yeah, it's starting up. Start now. Yes, I'm ready. Oh, and that's kind of an interesting thing here. I would say when I first saw this was that you can actually let me make myself bigger. You can actually choose what you kind of want to do with it. I think this is something slightly different we haven't seen yet, which is you can choose kind of a specialization for your MaxClaw agent. Let's just say, for example, I'm going to be a topic tracker, and I click that, I'm ready, and it's deploying. So it's really at the start no cost at all, because yet again, this shouldn't have a cost, okay? Because we already showed you guys how to get it started for $3, right? It shouldn't cost you. And this is me kind of shitting on Kimmy, because when I made the Kimmy Claw video, they charged me literally $40, right? Kimmy Claw for that. But Minimax came, so yeah, Kimmy decided to charge us $40. It's only available on the Allegretto plan. But for Minimax, yeah, it's free to start the Claw agent. Yeah, MiniClaw, you have to go and go on their one. But for Minimax or MaxClaw, whatever they want to call it, it's free to start. All right, it's free to start, and you're already starting to go on there. The caveat here is that once you start using it, they'll deduct points. All right, so you get started, like they have a welcome bonus when you're on a free account. You have welcome credit here. You get 1,000 plus a daily free. So if you're a minor usage user and you just want to test things out, this is actually a pretty good way to start. To be fair, right? It's absolutely free. I don't think that there's anything else that just like requires a Google account login and it's free. They also have a few interesting features here that I kind of like. Because when I did a Kimmy video, this is what I would compare it to, right? Because they're comparable products. But when I did a Kimmy video, unfortunately, there wasn't any other tools there. It was just very basic. But here, they kind of realized, oh yeah, you need to have access to files, right? Let's say your files, your agent.md. So there's actually a way to download this if you want to use it for real or if you want to set it up. Yet again, if you want to, this is kind of, so I feel like this is like you're kind of onboarding. Like if you want to try it, you want to connect Telegram, they've already specified it there, and it'll teach you through. Like the whole Claw setup will be just going through, and the agent will tell you how to do it and set it up. So I think there's no excuses now not to try out Openclaw and then see what it works for you, right? I mean that makes sense. So yeah, yet again, just go bot fodder, add a bot, or if you want to do another kind of connection, it's already integrated there. What I kind of also find interesting is that these are your very important files. So your soul, your heartbeat, your memory, all right? All these things are important. So you can always export this later. So yet again, no reason to not try this. You can export this later and put it onto your own server later on if it doesn't work. There are a few caveats though. So I do say that I was a little bit disappointed with this because I actually have a full Minimax plan. So I actually have a coding plan already that I subscribe to here, and I already paying for one. But unfortunately, at this current point, you cannot bring your Minimax coding plan to the coding bot. I actually asked it, so I actually did an experiment on like, can I bring my Minimax key, coding key. Ironically, it said you can, but when I input the key in, my bot wouldn't respond to me. So that was kind of my disappointment, where instead of kind of integrating me into the Minimax ecosystem that I already paid for, there is no option for you to do that. So, they'll pretend there is, but it won't work because I guess it's just not set up properly. So, I don't know. I'm pretty sure they've rushed this product to market. So yeah, that's kind of what I want to say to it. It does work, and I think it's actually quite fun if you want to try out. So yeah, yet again, I would just try to gaslight you and say, yeah, you can try to do it, but it doesn't really work very well when I tried it. So in terms of long-term setup, I would still recommend you go watch my video on how to set it up yourself on your own server. I think that's still always the safest long-term option, and you can really do that. Like I showed you guys literally how to do that for my first video here on this video. I literally showed you guys how to do that for $3 or less. So not through those expensive VPS plans, but set it up yourself on your own computer and get it done for $3, right? So we actually bought the server for $3 here. So I would recommend that still for long term, because like going through all the techie stuff, it gives you complete control over your claw, and also you can also do a few interesting things. Like right now on my claw, because it's set up on a VPS or a virtual private server, that means it can even launch presentations for me, and I can view them anywhere on the web. If that's your thing, it's actually really helpful. So I would say long term, this is I still wouldn't use what MaxClaw is offering long term, but as a starter pack just to experiment with, I think is a really, really great way to start your experience with Openclaw. So yeah, that's kind of my take on it. That's the installation process. It's really there. It's just click, 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 done, and you're good to go. But long-term wise, yeah, you have to see. The other last thing I do want to add on to this video is that even though for a lot of experimentation for us, even though Minimax right now, they're offering and they're kind of advertising that they're essentially one of the top models. They're saying they're one of the top models with 95% of the intelligence of top tier models like Opus. But in our actual experimentation, after using it for around 2 or 3 weeks, Minimax is still, I would say 80%. I would say 80% or 75% of what Opus is offering in terms of intelligence. It still makes mistakes, and even though we did the test and say, hey, Minimax, if I want to go to a car wash, should I drive or should I walk? Minimax sometimes still said to walk. It just depends on your luck. So it's kind of playing slot machine. Yeah, anyways, on 2.5, there were still some mistakes. Like maybe 80% of the time, let's say, drive your car there because you need a car to wash it. But some of the times it's still. So it still makes some critical mistakes, and yet that's why I don't let Openclaw always run my life. I just let them make a few things for me, like presentations on a daily basis. That's always useful. And something that's like kind of improved my life, but it's not mission critical yet. Anyways, that's my 2 cents on Minimax's MaxClaw. I do think that the installation process was much easier, and I do actually like the fact that they have this configuration here. We can configure it to whatever type of intelligence you're using. So there's kind of pre-built settings there for you to try out. And the cost isn't that expensive to start. So yeah, just no reason to not try it at this current point since no money is involved. Well, with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. There's still a lot more to cover on this channel, as you guys know, right? This was like one of the presentations I got, right, from there. So there's a lot to do. And yeah, that's around it. Sorry, I was clicking around. But with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We actually read all the comments on our videos. And yeah, if you want something tutorial on something, we actually covered a lot of topics based on community suggestions. So yeah, we're at your service, and yeah, we're growing really quickly. So jump on the bandwagon. I really want to make sure that you guys get the best information. So subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.